What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So yesterday, Zandile Khumalo was criticized for celebrating and posting a song where she sang and appeared as if she was happy. Well, she has responded, and this is the post that Zandile Khumalo has posted, and she is said, "I am right here. I'm not going anywhere." Zandile Khumalo is more like saying, I don't care about all of you, and I am not even going to beg you for anything. God is not for you only. God is for everybody else. He does not go to the taverns where seemingly most of you, like friends, fathers, go there to drink. He is for all of us. God is for all of us. This is what Zandile Khumalo. And God is not going to be doing your will for your lives or for our lives. So Zandile Khumalo is still in celebratory mode, and she is continuing in that mode. Well, it is a time to shine and celebrate. Everybody has their time in life to sing and dance. And as it stands, it seems to be Zandile Khumalo's time right now. But as some people say, what goes around comes around. Life is like a wheel which rotates. Today you might be on top, tomorrow you might end up being at the bottom. So you never know what happens in life. It's not something to put out there and be like an I don't care person like what Zandile Khumalo is doing here. So maybe the word of advice to Zandile Khumalo is to tone down her arrogance. But this is Zandile Khumalo that we're talking about here. She is going to be having none of that, and she is going to continue in her celebratory mode. So tell me what you think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.